Hello friends, welcome to TechEJ YouTube channel. Okay, so in last video we have seen that how we can easily install the n8n on AWS platform. Okay, in our self-hosted environment. Okay, so in today's video just we are going to create a very first workflow. Okay, so this will be the our workflow where we will schedule a trigger. Okay, like we will schedule at a fixed time or after some interval. Okay, like we can schedule it for everyday morning. Okay, so everyday morning it will call a API. Okay, where some news data will be available. Okay, so it will research for us. Okay, basically what this workflow will do, this workflow will research for us for some hot topics. Okay, or some trending topic, and it will after researching this will also like it will search for the trendy topic. It will rate each trendy topic, and it will just create a YouTube video script, or you can just create a blog on that trendy topic. Okay, so these all things will be done automatically, like research will be done, topic selection will be done by the AI itself, and automatically, and also our like trendiness of any topic will be measured by our Gemini. You know, everyone is just going on Google to research about any topic, so here just we will use this Google Gemini for doing all the research like thing. Okay, after that just we will actually what after that we will just clean and format this response of our AI that we receive, okay, from Google Gemini, and then we will automatically send a mail, okay, to our mail or any list of mails. Okay, so here just I am sending to my mail, but you can also provide a set of mails, like that can list can contain thousands of email addresses. Okay, so because this is will be the all the system generated and automatically, so you don't have to give time for performing this task. Like if you are a content creator, then you know it can save you a lot of time. So without wasting time, let's create this workflow from scratch. Okay, so you have some basic so you should have some basic idea, okay, about all these things. Okay, just go on workflow. Okay, give a name to this workflow, like workflow name will be technical news research and YouTube video script generation. Okay, so it will basically research for news, and also it will create a script of the most trendy topic. Okay, so just it let first click on trigger manually. Okay, here we can add some time. Okay, so when okay, so I have added for manual trigger. Okay, now just go here on a schedule, select on a schedule. Okay, so it can provide time like a day. Okay, so just I want to schedule for minutes. Okay, let's say 2 minutes. Okay, fine. So now just click on plus. Now we want to research about all the news, and we want to select the best news. By for the selection procedure we will use the Google Gemini, okay. But for the news, so we will use you can say API of a website like here I am going to use this portal, okay, newsdata.io, okay. So just copy this from here, okay, and visit here, add here action in app, sorry, not in action in app. Here we want okay, so in core we have HTTP request, okay. So method will be get and provide this, and we require the API key, okay, for this website, okay. So actually this if you don't know about the news data, so just visit here, you will know about this will provide the news data, okay. So this is a big website. Now just we require newsdata.io, so just click there. Here you can see that this is the website, okay. So we are going to use the API of this newsdata.io, okay. So just here search for that newsdata.io API, okay. So just go here, get API key. You need to log in your account. After login you can get your API key in this manner, okay. Don't need to, you can use my API key also, okay. So if you require, so in the same manner you can also create your API key, okay. So just go there and click on create API key, it will generate API key for you, okay. So now I have already generated my API key, so I will copy that from here. Also I can copy, and I have also stored, okay. So let me copy that from there, okay. So this is my API key. Yeah, I am going to delete that API key after this video, so otherwise you can also use that, don't worry about that, okay. So just paste this API key at last, okay. Now fine, and nothing to do, okay. So just now this HTTP API call will do, it will just get, like it will pull the news data from this website, okay. So we will just now use AI and Google Gemini for this, and we will send a message to Google Gemini, okay. For that you need to create the credentials first, okay. I have already created the credentials, so it's not prompting for that. So just select a message model. Now here we can choose, like I am going with preview 0520. Now the best part is here you can provide a prompt, detailed prompt you have to provide, and clear and crisp. So first of let me copy the prompt and explain to you what this prompt will do. So here we are giving this prompt: you are expert tech news summarizer, convert these news items below. So where below, like here, this is the news data, just we are giving in JSON format from last API call, okay. So basically API call will give the output in JSON format, so we are giving here this API call or JSON data as an input in this prompt, okay. So his guideline will be provided 10 bullet points only, keep each bullet under 18 words, tone professional, no unnecessary of adjectives, include product name like la la la, okay. So this is the most important thing, okay. So don't forget this, and task will be like evaluate each topic for virality, okay. how likely to attract viewers on YouTube. Rate each topic from 1 to 10. Like most trending topic will be rated to 10, and lesser will be 9, lesser than more lesser will be 8, more lesser will be 7, like in this manner. So identify the topic with the highest virality score. Okay, generate a detailed YouTube video script for highest rated topic, including hook, intro, key points, explanation, call to action, engaging professional to tech audience. Okay, and guideline will be keep the script concise but engaging, 5 to 10 minutes of spoken content. Okay, content include technical terms, product name and vendor. So this is the most important one thing, like what you want to do. Okay, so this should be clear to you first, then you will just write in plain English language, as you know about prompt engineering already. So I am not going to explain more about this. Okay, so this will be our prompt. Okay, output content, you can just tell this as a JSON format. Okay, so just hit enter. Now we want to okay, so we will receive the output in JSON script format. Okay, so we cannot send directly this JSON data to our email, so that because email will support only HTML format or text format. Okay, so just here before that I will show you how you can create the credentials. Okay, so for Google Gemini you need credentials like API key. Okay, for using that, so when you create a credentials, first let me save that. Okay, so when you go for credential, you need to search for a app, like you want to add a credential for Gemini, so search for that. Okay, Google Gemini Palm API, you need to continue, and after continue, okay, this will require this like host, and then it will ask for API key. Okay, so how you will get this API key? You can just go on to Google, just search it on Google. Okay, Google Gemini API key. Okay, now you will go to ai.google.dev. Okay, so from there you have to create a project. Okay, so here it will guide you. Okay, how you can create that. I am not going into that deep, because if I will go, then my API key will be visible to you. Okay, so just it's a simple procedure. Now you can click on get API key. It will now you have to create some projects, and after that you can generate your API key from here. Okay, so I am not going into deep of that, so just put that API key here. Okay, otherwise you are not able to continue that. Okay, just let me close this, because I already added that. Okay, so just go here, we will continue our workflow. Now click on plus, click on manipulate filter, convert data. Now this time we want to add no, don't want to action in app, we want to add core. Now we want to add code in JavaScript. Okay, so before coding, before adding that here, what we need to know, it's important to know the output of this. Okay, so how you will know the output of this? Just click on execute the step. Okay, so when this step will execute, we will get our output format. Based on that output format, like it will be in JSON format. Okay, so it's executing the node. Okay, wait for some few moments. So why this n8n is so powerful, because it can integrate multiple tools. Here you can also write codes, you can use the programming, all the programming concept here, but for not just for creating some function calls, for calling any big programs. Okay, like here we are calling Google Gemini. Okay, and we are also able to write some JavaScript code. Okay, so this is the format of our output. Okay, so now based on this format I have some JavaScript code already have. Okay, so we have to write some code here. So for that purpose I have this code. So what this code will do, it will just format that response, that JSON response we received from Google Gemini. Okay, okay, so fine. Now what we will do, just come here and click on execute workflow. We will see is our JavaScript code is working fine or not, because here we can get some errors, because this, this is low level program. Okay, JavaScript program, so maybe we will get some formatting error, but don't worry, we will solve that. Okay, so after that we have to add the Gmail node, or we can simply add an email node with SMTP configuration. Okay, so for that purpose we will require your if you are using Gmail, then we will require your Gmail code. Okay, so here you can simply see that unexpected identifier line 1. Okay, so we got this issue. Okay, so let me go here. First of all, I will put it at top bottom. Okay, so as expected we got error, so don't worry, I will check it. So once our workflow will be ready, then it will save a lot of time, okay, which we are expending in researching on topic and creating some scripts, okay, and sending this script to our creators. Okay, so these all things will be done automatically on daily basis, so we don't have to give any uptime. Okay, so it's still showing unexpected identifier line 1. Okay, let me check the code. Okay, it means here we have put some extra things. Okay, that's why we are getting the issue. Okay, fine. Let me again test that. Yeah, now node executed successfully. Now what we will do, just click on plus, search here for email. You can directly add the Gmail also. Sorry, email. You can directly add a Gmail here. It will require the API key, but I don't want to use the API key. Just I have to send mail, so I will use SMTP account credential my. So here you can click on create new credential. We will require to give your username. Username will be your email. Like in my case, it is my @example.com. Okay, so and password will be your password, our app password, not is this password is not the same password which you are using for Gmail login. Okay, so like if you are using like gmail.com, okay, for example I am showing if you are using gmail.com. Okay, so just go here to my account section. Okay, in your account you have to visit in your account and you have to get your app password. Okay, this will be the like 16 alphanumeric password. Okay, this will be the for that like here you can just search how to get Gmail app password. Okay, so in that manner just you need to go into your account section. In your account section in security you will get the login options, and inside that login option let me show you, otherwise you will got confused. So just go here like accounts.google.com. For Gmail this is the procedure, but if you are using different mail then procedure will be different. Here in your security section you need to go there. Okay, so I am not going to show due to security reasons. Just here you can search for app password. Okay, so here this is app password. You will require this app password to log in there. Okay, and I will provide the SMTP details for you can search simply here Google SMTP details, as there will be many email providers, so this will be the different for everyone. Okay, so just visit there at their respective website. We will get your information from there. Okay, so like here port will be 465 and okay, SMTP dot address details will be also here. Okay, so just it will be different for different providers, like for Yahoo it will be different, for Zoho it will be different. Okay, so you need to provide that. Okay, so here I am using my SMTP account here that I already configured. Okay, operation will be send operation. From email will be my email address that I already configured, that is this, as you all know. Okay, and to email will be also my email, but a different email that I am using for yahoo.com, and subject line will be like top 10 trending tech news and most trending news YouTube script. Okay, so now type will be for here type will be HTML. Okay, so for HTML I will copy this my code. Okay, sorry, so here that is my HTML code, that is very simple code. Okay, so now just go here. Okay, so here it's red, so code of function, code of JavaScript. Oh, that is not correct. Let me try to find my node name. So node name is code in JavaScript. Okay, so just go here and it will be name will be code in JavaScript. So now it's green, it means it's signaling us, that's fine. So this will be our body. Okay, here you can like put different like multiple email. Okay, email in two section. Okay, also we can provide a list of thousands email in Excel format, but procedure will be bit different. We need to add one more node inside that for that purpose, but for now just I want to just send for less than 10 people, like for just for now just for single person. So I am just adding one email address here, but in comma separated manner you can add multiple email addresses here. Also if you have list of thousands or millions of email addresses, then you can you have to add a node, one more node here. Okay, for that purpose. Okay, just now I am trying to execute this script. Let me check if this script will execute successfully or not. Okay, still this workflow is inactive state. Okay, so if you want to retrigger it, then you have to activate this. Okay, let me log in my Yahoo mail. Okay, so here one I received on 5:44, so it's about 6:44 p.m. You can see that. Okay, now I will wait to receive the mail. Let me check if workflow is executed. Okay, workflow is executed, I think. So just refresh this. Okay, so we got the top 10 trending tech news and most trending news YouTube script. Okay, in our mail. So how is here? So this is our email. This is our mail is here. Okay, so what is saying text summary? It's given like 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the top 10 tech news of the day. Okay, and here so like YouTube script analysis. Now topic virality score. So these we are taking as an input for as a topic. Okay, so how to transfer Android phone step by step. So virality score is 9. Okay, we can give a like first topic name, how to transfer Android to iPhone step by step guide. Okay, so virality score is 9 because multiple people are going to face this issue. Like I also faced the issue during transferring from Android to iPhone. Okay, so second topic name, VS Code is an open source platform these days, not just a development tool. Okay, so virality score is 8. Okay, so you can see that generally we prepared a workflow that is researching on our behalf. Okay, and the most viral topic is now how to transfer Android to iPhone, a step by step guide. Now we have a YouTube video script for that, like the title name will be Android to iPhone migration masterclass, transfer everything flawlessly, and hook topic will be even felt that dread when switching from Android to iPhone. The thought of losing contact, photos and message can be daunting, but what if you do? So it's generated basically very good our YouTube video script. Okay, so generation doing all these things on daily basis, your team, or if you are a solo content creator, then it is going to take around 2 to 3 hours of daily research. Okay, for that, and for script generation it will also going to take 1 or 2 hours. Okay, so it will save daily 3 to 4 hours of yours. Okay, this workflow, just this simple workflow. Okay, so I guess now you are able to know how you can just automate every task. Okay, so that it will increase your productivity. Okay, at last everything is for increasing your productivity. Okay, so this is just a very simple workflow. Okay, so what this workflow is doing, I already explained you. Just this for executing automatically, just we need to click on activate. Okay, so just click on got it, and here our trigger is for 2 minutes, so it will fetch for every 2 minutes. But for if you want to schedule this trigger for like days, on behalf of days, so here I have set it days, so it will trigger at midnight only. Okay, so just for now I don't want to do anything, so just I want to show you. Okay, so here I added one. Okay, so just after 1 minute this trigger will automatically activate, and we will receive a mail here. Okay, so wait here, just right now only one top 10 trending tech news. Okay, so that means just only one subject line is here present here. Okay, that is we received at 6:44 p.m. Okay, so we are expecting at 6:49 p.m. will receive an email. Okay, no, that will trigger at that time, but workflow itself can take 5 minutes to 10 minutes based on task you have assigned. Okay, and the speed of your workflow nodes. Okay, so it can take time. Okay, so let me here, we are watching it, so here also we will watch. Just refresh this. Okay, so we received this automatic mail. Okay, so here just I am sending on one email, that is my email. Okay, so you can send to thousands and millions of people once a time. Okay, where you don't have to give any of the single minute. Okay, so it's just a very amazing tool. Okay, so now I am going to deactivate this. Okay, otherwise it will full my email, Yahoo mail inbox. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, guys. Okay, see you in next video. We will see some real-time use cases of this n8n in another video. Thanks for watching.